Well, in Hill County this morning, a fire that has destroyed at least 5 homes in the county continues to burn in the town of Blum. At last check with the Texas A&M Forest Service, it has consumed 250 acres and is 20% contained. Some good news. They say firefighters have stopped the forward progress of that fire. Bulldozer crews are working to build perimeters around homes in the area to protect them as well. Helicopters and small air tankers are dropping water from nearby Lake Whitney. Firefighters are also making progress on a grass fire in Parker County. This is near Highway 180 and Clark Lake Road. As of about 9:30 last night, that fire was about 75% contained. It's burned 372 acres. Crews are still monitoring those flames, but there is very little smoke coming from the area right now. And if you live in Tarrant County, you need to know about a burn ban. Officials just extended a local state of disaster declaration another week because of the dry conditions. It bans all outdoor burning and threatens violators with a $500 fine.